Hello, Amy. How are you?
Hello, team. I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine too. What are you doing?
I'm reading about how computer networks were designed.
Wow, that's very interesting. Computers have become a very important part of our lives. We can't even imagine modern society without computers. They are responsible for almost everything, starting from the spaceships that are launched due to the special computer software to the air conditioner in your car, which is also controlled by the special program. How does this enormous amount of computers interact? They obviously need to share some data in files. This happens because almost every computer in the world has the connection to the computer network. By connecting to the internet, you can do almost whatever you would like to. Not only computers can be a part of the network. Nowadays, every smartphone has special equipment which allows you to stay online. You can sit in a park and share files, download music and copy important data from another person's computer, which is also connected to the internet. But is the internet connection always safe? The answer is no. You need to remember that you should follow some security rules in order not to get into trouble. Let's have a look at the vocabulary we can use to talk about computer networks. Try to guess their meanings. 1. Information. Facts. 2. Share files. Send your files so they can be downloaded from the internet. 3. Security system. System that protects something or someone. 4. Connection. Bound with something. 5. Data. Information. 6. Computer network. Several connected computers. 7. Internet cafe. A place where you can get the internet access. 8. Send emails. Send letters using the internet. 9. Equipment. Appliances. 10. Important. Of great value. 11. Copy. To create the same thing one more time.